Hi guys. It's hard for me to wake up. But I got to sleep like 10 hours. I have headache. If you get to sleep more hour, you got a headache. Oh my gosh. Like this guys when I have the time now. It's now I have a surgery. I get my surgery. It's hard for me to wake up. Like if you move suddenly, it's hard. Very difficult when you have surgery in your tummy. This is the time. I need to wake up guys because even though I need to more sleep, but I need to wake up to make it exercise, to walking a little bit because the doctor said to me, I need to walk to exercise my legs. So, mga Bisaya, wag kayong magtaka. Don't wondering why I speak English, ha? Because, do you know me guys that I have foreigner fans here, there. So, yeah. So, yes, agay. Pero yung ano ko guys, no, mga kapobre, alam niyo yung ano ko dito, parang Makati ba? Sa loob, Makati, hindi ko naintindihan. Makati siya, pero inaano-ano ko lang minsan, baka siguro pagaling na sa loob mo. Pero kumikirot pa rin eh. Kumikirot ba? Ako lang mag-isa dito sa room. This room I am alone. So, yeah. It's so boring because I'm alone. My daughter, she's still not coming yet. She's still in Philippines. So now I'm going to the kitchen and I'm go to the bathroom, brush my teeth and wash my face. And after I'm going to live streaming my number. First, I will get my breakfast first before I do live streaming. So, mga kapobre, it's me, the organic feast. Peace be with you. Thank you so much for watching. And we have to go now in the bathroom to make my wash my face and to eat my breakfast. My hands is okay. Bye. Love you all.